Buenos días, buenas tardes, or perhaps buenas noches, wherever you are. Bienvenidos. Welcome to Spanish Word of the Day with Mr. Brigs. I hope you've been enjoying this playlist where I help you enhance and increase your Spanish vocabulary on a daily basis. I also wanted to thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. As you may be aware, I upload videos daily, so every single day you'll get a Spanish video, which is not too long. It is just short enough for you to remember and to learn a new word. Muy bien, let's begin. Comfortable in Spanish is cómodo, or cómoda if you're a woman. Look at this guy, he's so cómodo, laying down on the sand, enjoying the sea breeze. Cómodo or cómoda. If you want to tell someone that you are feeling comfortable, you would say, yo estoy cómodo. Yo estoy cómodo. That accent on top of the O, it's for emphasis. Cómodo. If you're a girl, you would say, yo estoy cómoda. And if you want to say you are very comfortable, you would say, yo estoy muy cómoda. He is comfortable. Él está cómodo. He's very comfortable. Él está muy, M-U-Y, muy cómodo. Look at him, enjoying a capa. I can tell he's very cómodo. Él está muy cómodo. Oh, look at this, it's beautiful. What a scenery. Ella está cómoda. I don't think she's just cómoda. Ella está muy cómoda. Wouldn't you like to be there in a tropical island enjoying the sunset? Wow. Muy cómoda. She's very comfortable indeed. Oh, beautiful. Cómoda. Muy bien. Now, how do we use this word in the past tense? We're going to see ejemplos usando el pasado. Comencemos. Let's commence. Él estaba cómodo. He was comfortable. Él estaba, he was cómodo, comfortable. I think that's some kind of massage chair. Él estaba muy cómodo. He was very comfortable. She was comfortable. Ella estaba cómoda. How would you say she was very cómoda? You would say ella estaba M-U-Y, muy cómoda. M-U-Y, that means very in Spanish, and it's pronounced as muy. Are you comfortable? ¿Estás cómodo? And if it's a girl like this one, you would ask, ¿estás cómoda? Are you comfortable? And she would reply, yo estoy cómoda, or yo estoy muy cómoda. I'm very comfortable. Cómodo. C-O-M-O-D-O. C-O-M-O-D-O or D-A. Once again, when we're talking about the feminine gender. Excelente. Okay, escucha, this is very important. So you can ask somebody directly, are you comfortable? ¿Estás cómodo? Or ¿estás cómoda? If you're asking a female. You can also ask whether she or he is comfortable by asking, ¿está cómodo Pablo? Is Paul comfortable? Or ¿está cómoda María? But you can also simply ask, ¿está cómodo? Or ¿está cómoda? You don't have to use the personal pronoun. You can simply say, ¿está cómodo? Referring to he, or ¿está cómoda? Referring to her, which is a bit more informal. There's nothing wrong. Either way is correct. Muy bien, amigos. Once again, thank you so much for your support and for subscribing. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. It means a lot to me. I don't know if you guys realize this, but producing videos can be very time-consuming and demanding. I'm a teacher, so this is my vocation. I love teaching. And every time one of you subscribes to my channel, you literally make it possible for me to continue doing this and improving I really want to do this full time, and I hope I hit 100,000 subscribers in the near future. In that way, I will be able to do this full time and to come up with better quality videos and material for your Spanish needs. Muy bien, amigos. Once again, thank you very much. Don't forget to leave a comment and give me a like. I hope to see you very soon. Take care. See you tomorrow. Hasta mañana. Ciao, ciao.